welcome back to the channel. So yes, I wear this t-shirt so much. This is Totoro, and this is from a movie from Studio Ghibli. It's like a Japanese animation, and it's one of my favorite movie ever. And in general, I like to watch animation, so Studio Ghibli is one of them. I like to wear this t-shirt. I have another t-shirt also from Ghibli. Actually, I have another two t-shirts, but one of them is getting smaller, or I'm getting bigger, I don't know, but it doesn't fit me anymore, so I wear this one. And today I'm going to talk about building a very successful YouTube channel. I get asked a lot about what should I do to be a YouTuber, what content I should choose. So bear with me for a moment and I will tell you what you need to do. First of all, being a YouTuber, it's not something you choose to do. If you don't have the passion for it, you will never be a successful one. Plus, you have to have a content. You have to have a subject you're able to talk about. You have to have a talent. You have to have a passion for something that you need to share with people. If you don't really know what you want to do, I don't think it's a good idea to start YouTube channel. I mean, anyone welcome to start YouTube channel, but if you are planning on building good YouTube channel, yes, you have to have a good contents that you are good at it. What do I mean? I mean, if you want to talk about finance, you really need to be good at finance. You really need to give honest, good advice. You don't want to be talking to people wrong information, and people will probably take this advice and get in trouble and gonna blame you at the end. Might put you in legal issues as well. Plus, whoever subscribe will unsubscribe, and YouTube will never, your YouTube channel will never grow. It will die. So you have to know, or you need to know, what are you good at, and is it something might interest people. So this is number one. Number two, you need to choose your audience, your target. Like, I do speak English. I make videos in English. My target is in countries who do speak English. So when my traffic come from countries they have low people speak English, I see the duration or the retention in my videos is low. So you need to choose your target, especially when you use Google Ads to advertise for your video. You need to use your target based on countries might be interested in your video. Again, another example. If you're talking about finance, about credit repair, how to build your credit, how to get credit card, how you get loan, how you get anything about finance, your target should be, if you are in US, mostly people who are in US, because I don't think people in India care about listening to video how to build a credit in US, and they are living in India. They're probably interested in finance videos, but it doesn't help them. They're not gonna watch it. So choose your target countries. Also, do not make a YouTube channel like my YouTube channel based on too many contents. It really can hurt your channel. Like, I do talk in my YouTube channel about too many subjects. Building YouTube channel, one of them, how you monetize or things like that. It's all included in YouTube content. I do talk about finance, I play music, I travel, I do photography, I talk about cars, I put videos about me racing my car or other people racing cars. So my audience are kind of very different. Someone who's interested in music might not be interested in finance, but he will subscribe to me because he saw some good videos, me playing piano. But when I upload video about finance, he probably will not watch it. So that's why you guys might have 4,000 subscribers, but in some videos I have only 50 views. Another videos I have 30 views, or another video have 30,000 views. So the more you have to do a YouTube channel that have one or two content, not more than that. This is really good advice. If you have to make more than one YouTube channel, please go and do it. And I mean by it, if you wanna talk about finance and the travel, and you're good at these two contents, make YouTube channel for them. If you're a musician, you play piano, just make one YouTube channel for your music and for some photography. So you know when you upload to this YouTube channel, most of your subscribers will watch, not just portion of them. So yeah, do not confuse yourself and confuse your audience or your subscribers by uploading too many contents. You should have a goal and work toward it and know your target. Also, people ask me, should we upload more contents? Should we upload weekly, twice a week, 3 times a week, 4 times a week, 5 times a week? It's up to you. If every video you're gonna upload has some quality, have some good information that you have not mentioned in video before, yes, go ahead and do it. People will like to listen to something new. But if you are going to repeat yourself just to make videos, I think this is something will lead people to unsubscribe. They're not gonna waste their time watching new video that they heard this information from you just 2 days ago. So if you have good information, either make little bit big, like long video, like 10 minutes, 11 minutes, talk about everything once a week, or you can do like 3 minutes, 4 minutes video twice, 3 times a week, but make sure you talk about new subjects. Do not reuse something you said in another video, and honestly it can put you in trouble with YouTube. YouTube doesn't like you to do that. Sometimes YouTube will disable your video or delete it because it has like same contents, you know. I mean, they're not gonna do it unless you're lucky copy, like re-upload the same video. I mean, if you add little bit more talk about it, if you're wearing different t-shirt, they will not bother you. But yes, your audience most likely will not watch you any longer and they're going to unsubscribe, and this is not going to help you to build your YouTube channel. Also, another question I get asked so much: how much I make from YouTube? To me, it's a personal question, honestly, how much I make in general. But I can tell you, is it worth it to be a YouTuber for money? It's not bad. Yes, it's worth it. But again, and I've said this before, to depend only on YouTube money, it's not enough. You can make thousands of dollars a month, 10,000, 20,000 a month, but this is not every month money. Plus, you have no benefits. You don't have health insurance. You have to buy your health insurance. You have to buy your retirement plan, blah blah blah. You have to keep uploading. You have to keep advertising. If your videos like went down for 2-3 months, you're gonna be losing this income. So is it worth it? It does, really. I mean, you can make good money from YouTube, but if you're not making hundreds of $1,000s a month, I do not advise anyone to take YouTube as full-time job, unless you have big saving and you're too young and you don't care, you don't have expenses. It's all up to you, you know. Every person financial situation is unique and different than anyone else. But yes, you can start making good amount of money from YouTube when you start having a lot of views, when your number of subscribers is like more than 5,000-6,000. When you have more views, YouTube will pay you by views. Advertiser will pay you also, depend on the country people watch from, depend on your content. So it's worth it. But also you need to have a good content that like attract people to watch. Plus, you can make money from YouTube by sponsoring, like someone sponsored your video, you can leave link for the product in the description. Your subscribers, if they use this link, they get discount and you get profit or portion on the sale. You can have merchandise you can sell. There is too many ways you can make money on YouTube without actually being monetized. I'm gonna make another video for that probably next week, and this video, the coming video, it's going to be sponsored. So this is gonna be my first time I have a sponsored video, and I'm very excited. So I will come back next week with another video how you can make money out of YouTube without being monetized. And thank you guys. Thank you so much guys for watching. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, leave me a comment, all these good things. Thank you again, and see you next week. Have a good day.